This is the dramatic red lighting in the hotel room, in the windowless hotel room in Santa Clara. Um, so I'm just reflecting back on the long trip uh, that took us to Oshikango, from Windhoek to Oshikango. It was the Intercape bus. A full night's trip. We had to at some point change buses, but it went very well. The bus was as comfortable as one could expect it to be, but it's never comfortable to sleep on buses. And what made that bus trip quite special was I ended up sitting just across the aisle from an economist my age, but Angolan, who has worked in the Angolan government and but also in academia and in consultancy. So we talked for ages about our perspectives on Angola, South Africa, the world. He was old enough to have experienced, white Portuguese kids in school with him, and then they left, and then came the Civil War, and he was very much exposed to the kind of Marxist-Leninist messaging that was very, very, very strong. He's quite critical of it now. From my perspective, I grew up in a school environment where it was expected that after school we were going to go and go to war, specifically here, this area. And the kind of existentialist threat was the MPLA government in Angola, the Cubans, the Soviets, the terrorists, etc. So it was very interesting to chat to this Angolan economist and to reflect on the fact that this part of the world, Southern Africa, which used to be absolutely war-torn because of the way colonization happened in this part of the world, and the way the Cold War played itself out here. It's wonderful that we have many problems, but we're not amongst the most war-torn places in the world anymore. So this is Palmeiras in Oshikango. This is where we spent a night and chilled for a day. Nice place to chill.